na siya, the very sexy Miss Maria Ozawa!
Siya ang pantasya ng mga kalalakihan. She's the Asian adult video superstar. Ang half-Japanese and half-French-Canadian sexy siren makikipagharutan ngayong hapon dito sa Celebrity TV, Maria Ozawa Live!
So, guluhan.
Buka, no?
Correct. Yung balat lang pinagkaiba namin. Sa kanya fresh, sa akin di fresh. Ayan, oh. Hello!
Hello!
Konbanwa!
Konbanwa!
Ah. Japanese.
Domo arigato.
Domo arigato.
Domo arigato.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat.
Ayan. Ah, Nanay Lolit.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Alam mo ba na sikat ka dito sa Pilipinas?
I will translate.
Okay, please.
Jap- Maria Ozawa ne. どっかでfamosa le na number one in Cubao, Old Balara, Tondo, Pasay, entire Philippines number one.
Parang wala naman ako sinabing ganun, ha?
Buong
Ang
Pilipinas.
haba-haba ng ano mo.
Famous na
Oo, sige.
in Philippines number one.
You know that?
No, actually, I'm really surprised. Very surprised.
Surprise.
Thank you.
Siyempre, ang daming boys dyan ngayon, no?
Kung papipiliin ka, anong pipiliin mo? Isang lalaking mayaman o isang lalaking makapangyarihan?
You choose Maria Ozawa, ha? Lalaki. Lalaki. Otoko.
Otoko.
Hindi, o kama.
Okay
Hindi, ukama, bakla yun, ha?
Bakit?
Otoko, Sakuragi o Sangoku?
Oh my God!
In Tagalog, do you want rich or powerful? Mapera o powerful?
Powerful.
Wow.
Very powerful, man.
Powerful daw gusto niya na yung talagang mataas. How do you become powerful? Like classroom, PRO, treasurer, secretary, vice president, president.
President.
Oh, na yun daw.
Yes, the smart
President.
ones.
Gusto niya maging first lady.
Do you know that our president is a bachelor?
I heard. I heard already, yes. He's
You
a
want him?
bachelor.
Ayan,
you.
ang swerte.
Teka muna. Ikaw ba, Maria, gusto mo nang manirahan dito sa Pilipinas at magkaroon ng asawang Pinoy?
Yes. Maria, would you like to stay here for good and have a Filipino husband?
Oh my God, yes.
Ay!
Wow!
Yes.
Gusto niya.
At
Right?
madami nagtatanong sa mga boys natin, ha? They're all asking if you're single.
I am so single.
Oh! And what are the characteristics that you're looking for possible boyfriend? Do you want tall, dark, tas naninigarilyo sa puno, ganyan, kapre.
Parang ang gulo.
Kapre pala. What are the physical characteristics that you're looking for?
Okay, he has to be tall.
Ta-
Taller than me.
Tall.
And then he has to be funny.
Funny.
Funny. And
Pasok ako.
Oh, and then he definitely has to be the sports kind of type. Sporty, yes.
Dapat magaling siya what kind of sport?
Any kind of sports, like if I could play along with him, like basketball, soccer.
Basketball.
Basketball, that's
Or soccer.
sexy.
Yan. Gusto ko yun.
Oo nga. Magpasalamat na tayo sa pagpunta niya rito.
Yes.
Yeah. We're very
Arigato.
thankful that you
Arigato.
Kawai.
Arigato.
Maria Ozawa.
Thank you.
Sa pagbabalik ng
Celebrity TV!